Hello, for my video I'll be making schnitzels. Beforehand you'll need 3 different bowls. You'll need an electric skillet. In one of the bowls will be 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/2 tablespoon of paprika, and 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper. You'll mix those. I have mixed those for the sake of the video. You will also need another bowl for 3 large eggs. You'll whisk those. And then you'll need another bowl for 2 cups of panko breadcrumbs. And you will also need 2 pounds of pork chops, which I have here. The electric skillet will be set at medium heat with olive oil inside. Information about schnitzels. It was originated in Germany. Jews from Germany brought it to Israel. It quickly took over Israel and many people started eating it in Israel. It was already very popular in Germany and most of Europe, but it also took over in Israel. And as the people immigrated around the world, it continued to get more popular and popular and popular to where we're still cooking. What you're going to do once you start cooking is you will take your pork chop, you will put a pork chop into your all-purpose flour, garlic powder, paprika, and black pepper mix, and you will dip it in both sides of the pork chop. And you'll do the same thing with the eggs in a different bowl. And then you'll do the exact same thing with the breadcrumbs. And then after you coat it with all 3, you will put it into the skillet for 3 to 4 minutes, flip it, another 3 to 4 minutes, and they'll be ready to eat. I will show that right now. Now I will dip it into each. A fun fact about this meal is before it came to America, they used veal instead of beef or chicken, but whenever the Germans immigrated to America, that wasn't as available as something like, chicken or beef. So that quickly became the most popular way to make it was with chicken or beef, as it was the most popular in America at the time. After you dip it, it should look something similar to this, and it'll be ready to dip into the skillet for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, which I will show next. We'll dip the pork chop into the skillet with the olive oil in there. And now we wait 3 to 4 minutes to flip it. Minutes up, you will flip it. And wait another 3 to 4 minutes, be ready to go. And here are the schnitzels finished.